What's this sauce right here?
It's making like a vegan gravy.
Vegan gravy, and that has, it looks like onion.
Onion, mushroom, sage, rosemary, thyme, some flour, vegan broth, mushrooms, juice.
Okay, what's in the pot over here?
That is some rice pilaf.
Rice pilaf. And what's that right there?
This is the flour and water just to thicken up the flour and broth and thicken up the gravy.
Okay. And then what's in here? You're cooking
Cauliflower.
cauliflower? All right, cool. Looks good. Lauren's over there watching porn. So this was cooked in a skillet with garlic and what else?
Rosemary, sage, thyme.
All right, now what happens over here? She's an amazing cook. Look at her. Not only beautiful, but talented, intelligent, gorgeous, smart. She can bring home the bacon, fry it up in the pan, or in this case, cauliflower. Baby's over there saying, all right, drop something. I'm ready. What's going on in there? What are you going to make over there?
Real quickly.
Oh, good idea. I think there's more in there, isn't there? Vegan refrigerator. Lemon, we need lemon for that. Just going crazy here. We got everything. Lauren's helping a lot, as you can see. She's like one of the best helpers ever. Oh, she almost stabbed the dog in the face. All right. All right, here we are at Lynette's kitchen. As you can see, Lauren again helping as much as possible, watching whatever she's watching. Baby's underfoot, gonna trip somebody at any moment.
Get out, get out.
She's like, no, I'm not. I want some food. You're cooking, aren't you? It's time for the pack to eat. All right, here we go. We're putting some stuff in there. It's looking delicious. Let's get over here and check it out. Oh my God, that's so good. And over here we got some garlic, and here we go. Look at her. Oh my God, she's gorgeous. Whoops. I'm gonna kiss her after I eat that.
Did you guys hear this? That the girl that was a victim of sex trafficking is being sentenced to 51 years in prison without parole?
Yeah. And this is what it looks like once you plate it. As you can see, we've got the beautiful plate full of rice. This is a vegan dinner, and so a lot of people don't know what to eat, and this is one of the things that you can prepare that is fantastic. It's delicious, it's nutritious, and not only that, but man, it tastes good. Oh yeah, Daddy like. Thank you, honey. You're a good cooker. And of course, Lauren's over there. She's getting ready to eat. She's gonna wash both of her arms. I'm not sure if she's gonna do surgery or if she's gonna consume some delicious vegan meals. She's come back to vegan after being a traitor to us. Thank God. Thank you for coming back, Lauren. You're forgiven for murdering animals. Well, somebody did.
Somebody did, and I just ate.
Oh, God.
Didn't eat any animals.
Baby, did you hear that?
I only ate the products of animals. Which one is mine?
What do you think? What do you think? If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other cooking videos and YouTube tutorials and other how-to do stuff videos. Got a bunch of them. All right, bye.